Can you fill in the gap? I'd go for if I had more free time. Stay until the end of today's class to find out the answer. Hello, my favorite student, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, English with Speaker. My name is Tanya. Today, we are talking about the verb go and how it works with other words. The first one is go plus a gerund or a verb with an ing ending. We use it when we talk about general activities that involve movement. Go swimming, go climbing, go running. For example, he goes swimming on Sundays. We went clubbing last month. If you love learning grammar or feel that grammar is your weak point, or you simply want to have all rules in one place, here's my book, Boost Your Grammar. There you will find the information about all the tenses in the English language, bonus chapters, comparative tables, and exercises. This book will help you when you feel lost and cannot explain mistakes you make. Follow the link in the description box and get it. And now let's jump back to the lesson. The next one is go for plus a noun. So if we are talking about some activity, but we want to use a noun, we need go for. For example, go for a run, go for a swim, go for a drive, go for a coffee, go for a meal, go for a ride, and go for a nap. For example, let's go for a coffee after work and catch up. Now you may ask me, what is the difference between go running and go for a run? And that's a very good question because the difference is small, but there is. When we use, for example, go running, we talk about our habits. For example, whenever I'm stressed, I like to go running to clear my mind. But when it is a specific running session with a duration and distance, we use go for a run. Do you want to go for a run with me tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. So, go running is our habit, but go for a run is a specific running session. And it doesn't mean that we do it consistently. Next one, and go to plus a place. If you want to say where you're going right now or where you usually go, a place, use go to plus a place. But we will divide this into 3 categories. The first one is without an article. Go to class, go to school, go to university, go to college, go to Brazil, go to Australia, go to Zagreb, go to Berlin. For example, I went to school in Ireland, but then I went to Budapest and I decided to stay there. Go to a, in this case we need an article, go to a plus, go to a meeting, go to a party, go to a concert, go to a conference, go to a gig. For example, he loves going to a party every now and then. Now and then means sometimes, from time to time. If this one was with an indefinite article e, the next category is with a definite article the. Go to the plus a place. Go to the park, go to the cinema, go to the moon, go to the dentist's. For example, if I need to clear my mind, I go to the park. But there are some expressions that you just simply need to remember. They are go home, go downtown, go online, go abroad. For example, after a long day at work, I just want to go home and relax. This weekend, we are going downtown to check out the new art gallery. They decided to go abroad for their honeymoon to explore Asia. If you want more information about the event, you can go online and visit their website. Now, do you remember the task I gave you at the beginning of the class? I'd go for if I had more free time. Which one is correct? A run. That's right. I'd go for a run if I had more free time. I knew you could do it. I hope that you learned a lot from this class, and if you really enjoyed it, like this video, share it with your friend or a family member, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. These are the ways you can support me and this channel. But that's it from me. Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!